Hi guys, I am Hitesh, and if you are looking for organic traffic for your offers, for your website, for your YouTube videos, or whatever, okay. So generally, if you stuck and you already tired just by paying ads, okay, by paying for advertising and all, just to get the traffic. So this is the problem solution. This product is viral bot. What it will do, it will create backlinks, okay, for your offers, for your affiliate offers, CPA offers, website, YouTube video, whatever. And actually this is website backlink creator, and just because of this you will get organic traffic, not paid traffic, okay. And just because of organic traffic, okay, actually organic traffic is most powerful than paid traffic. In paid ads you will generally get junk leads and junk visitors also, and audience also. But if you go with organic traffic, actually it takes too much time, okay, to grow. But just because of this tool you will start getting organic traffic, and organic traffic is always targeted traffic and powerful and strongest traffic. So this is viral bot, and this is inside story. This is member access area of viral bot. We will discuss each and every these features, okay, so that you will understand this product is for you or not. Okay, so we are going to just start. Okay, this is member access area. This is dashboard. You will get software training. This is software training. Now this is dashboard. It will tell you each and every campaigns which you run, and all successes and all things. If you have any problem in your campaign, you can see here. Now this is normal things, so just come here. This is any image editor, which is alternative of Canva. You don't need to go for Canva. Just because of this editor, you have to just what you can play around with this. Okay, here are some. Actually I'm just working indirectly in front of you. Okay, I am not here, I am not showing you this by doing practice and all. Okay, but I will try to show you each and every features, and so that you can know this is for you or not. Okay, and this is completely backlink generator, so that you will get organic traffic. Okay, I'm telling you organic traffic, not the paid ads and all. So you will get targeted strongest traffic for your offers and websites. Now this is image, so that you don't need to go to the Canva, because all things are here, all things are available here. Okay, these are some buttons and all these things, so that you can play around with this. You can see all colors and on smooth skin and all. You can just play anything. Just go ahead with the copyright free images. Okay, upload here. Okay, you can just directly upload here, and then you can just play around with that. Okay, this all are buttons. Okay, you can upload from here. I'm not going to do that because it's much mindless things. Anyone can do that. Now this is for text, so that you can put some text on that. You can add some layers, so everything will be updated here on this picture. This is for example. You can go ahead with your any picture, okay, related to your niche and product. Now this is campaign. So this is limit and all. Channel ID. Do you know how to create channel ID? I'm just going to show you how to do that. So I'm just opening this notepad, so you will understand channel ID. Okay, wait. Let me do this. Just wait for a second, so that I will. Okay, now. So this is YouTube. I already opened my YouTube channel. I will tell you how to do that YouTube channel ID, how to get that. Okay, so I'm just going to copy. What you have to do on come on YouTube. Okay, come to at my channel. How to come at my channel? This is your channel. Okay, when you click on this, it will look like this, and here will be your link. Just copy. I'm just showing you where is your channel ID. Okay, so I will show you. Now this is my link of my YouTube channel. So after backslash, this backslash, okay, after last second, not this about and all, this backslash, all this thing will be, this is your channel ID. Okay, not about. Okay, this only from here to here will be your channel ID. Okay, I already into my about section, that's why. Otherwise you will see this link in general. Okay, so after first backslash, after this backslash, this is your channel ID. Now I'm just closing this. So here it is. I'm just putting my channel ID. Keyword is, for example, business. Okay, now search. see, I just put my channel ID and you can just each and everything. So what you will do, okay, on each and every video, you can just add comments. What you have to do, you have to click here. So everything will be ticked and later you can do one comment directly from here. Okay, you can also put your link. For example, this is my blog link. You can put your blog link here. Okay, and then you will start. Okay, and when you do this, for example, you can uh, give it a name, I think, for example, demo. Okay, and this is message. I'm not going to give this. I'm going to give my blog ID, my blog link. Okay, so what will happen? My blog will actually, if you comment on this channel and each and every videos of this channel, what will happen? The people who are coming on that particular video, they will see your blogs and automatically you will start getting some traffic from YouTube. This is manual actually. Backlink creator will be different things. It will be later. Okay, you can see here. This is high quality backlink. This is the main things, but here are some different links. Okay, so that you can understand how you will get some traffic. Okay, on each and every YouTube videos, these are videos. Okay, this is not YouTube channel, this is channel. Okay, and these are the videos of that particular channel, all videos which he uploaded on his channel. Okay, so if you do this, this is message and comment. This is YouTube account. For example, what is your YouTube account? You can put your account and you can directly save comment and it will put step-by-step comment on this. So let me show you just for my blog and leave it. I'm just going to save. Title give me. Okay, save. Saved successfully. Now what will happen? It will comment automatically on each and everything. Okay, here you can see comment successfully, but right now I'm just doing for myself, so you cannot see here. Okay, this is my channel and I'm also logged in from my channel, so it may be some problematic. Okay, but you can do that. Okay, I just show you for demo. Okay, just go for another channel from for others channel. Okay, don't go for your channel after logging from your own channel. Don't go for on your channel. Okay, so it will not comment on your same channel by using same ID. Okay, go for another channel ID and just you do comment so that you will get start some traffic on your link, maybe affiliate link, maybe whatever. Now, so this is a basic. Okay, now I will tell you. Okay, let me show you. This is add account. So this is channel ID. I told you how to create channel. This is action, active, deactive. You can create, you can add some YouTube account. Okay, this is for example, and this is too much easy. You will get each and everything from here. API training, software training. Okay, so you can just add your YouTube account, actions, deactivate, active, delete, whatever you want. Okay, you can do that. You can add account, which I shown you here. Okay, so now this is post template. These are some templates just for using. Okay, you can just status is active and all. You can, for example, if you want download and all, this is normal things. Okay, post templates, campaign. Let me show you one more thing. Channel ID and all. What is it here? Limit. You can go for 50 also, so that it will comment on top 50 videos. Okay, just I recommending you go for 50 first. Okay, later when you will get experience, go with them. Okay, so add account, you can just add your account also from here, but let me show you how to do that. This is already added. So for example, search. Okay, no worry, you will get all these things from this training. These are two trainings, so you will get also from this. Now this is post template. This is too much easy things I already shown you. You can see this is some templates, so you can go ahead with this. You can also some delete, you can deactivate them also. I can, and directly you can do this from here also. Now this is URL shortener, too much easy. This is like Bitly and all, so I'm not going to do this because you can easily create your shortener. So for example, this is my ID. I think it will not work. Yes, short copy and all, this is not channel. This is not complete URL. So just let me leave it because it's pretty simple, easy. Now this is API training. Now this is important thing. Actually, you have to put your Google or YouTube API key. Okay, so then it will work for you to create some backlinks. Now I will show you how to create manual backlink. Don't worry, so that you will understand what is a backlink actually. Okay, so this is API for viral, but you will get training from here. This is software training. So again, you will get, this is full guide viral. You will get training here. Okay, how much long it is, you can see.
Purchasing viral bot, and in this
Okay, 4-minute video.
purchasing viral bot.
Okay, 4-minute video, and this is API training. So let me show you how long it is. 7-minute video. Okay, so you will know each and everything on dashboard. Again, you will get some videos. So I'm just going to do that. Now this is software training. Let me show you what is inside the unlimited. Actually, I have many bonuses. Okay, I'm not going to show you each and everything in deep. Okay, these bonuses are too much pretty cool and too much powerful. You can go ahead outside and you can just check the value of these bonuses which you are going to get for free. Okay, just go ahead. I'm not going to explain you each and everything. Okay, just click on the link below. You can see what bonuses are you are going to get. Okay, now so that you will easily know the value of this. Where I clicked. Okay, I clicked on unlimited. Okay, so this page is opening. So let me show you. This is unlock unlimited viral and all. Wait, this is I think for upsell. So I'm just going to click and just showing you for what is it. This is for unlimited traffic. Okay, this, yes, unlimited, so that you will get more higher traffic. Okay, so I'm just closing it. Okay, so I done this unlimited. This is for upsell. This is for bonuses. This is not a important thing for you to show and all. Now this is HQ backlink, so that I'm just going to click on this. Just see what is coming inside. I'm showing you how to do manual backlinks. Now this is a drive. So this is backlinks directory. Actually, I'm not going to open this. Okay, just when you go inside the training, you will know how to do this and what to do for this. Okay, so you will know this. Now, for example, I'm just going to show you manual backlinks creation, so you will know the idea. Now, I'm going to on my videos. Okay, one of my video, I'm going to show you manual backlink creation. Okay, so that you will know how this tool will get traffic for you on that particular link, website and all. Just wait, let me show you. Closing this one because it's already done from my side. Already we are on this HQ backlinks. Okay, this is SEO tricks. What is this actually? This is you have to follow according to the training, and you will get some more traffic by using search engine optimization, which is organic traffic. Okay, so let me close this. I think it's taking too much time. Okay, now I'm going to again show you. Actually, it's too much important to show you how to create manual backlinks so that you will know how generally backlink works and how this bot will provide you thousands of backlinks from different platforms, not even platforms, from different websites. Okay, so you will get some traffic on your YouTube video, on your blog, on your offers, affiliate offers, CPA offers, and maybe some other things, whatever you want. Okay, it is taking time, but let it take because it's too much important to show you how to create backlink manually so that you can relate the work of manual and the work of automation by using tool. Okay, and you can understand the power of this tool. Now I am on my this channel, so this is my video. Okay, I unlisted this. Okay, so I'm just going to share this one. So shareable link, no, I'm just going to click on this. Just understand guys how to create manual backlink. Okay. Just click on this. Okay, just like you have to do if you are doing manual, and if you are not going to purchase this product, still you will learn how to do how to create manual backlinks. So from now you will start creating some backlinks. So this is your YouTube video, for example. Okay, so now what you have to do, just let me pause it. Click on this button, share. Okay, I clicked. Now this window will open, this little window will open. What you have to do, you can see here, these are some options. What you have to do, for example, this is Facebook, and let me show you blog if it is there. Yes, it is. So what you have to do, for example, this is blog. I'm going to create on this. I'm going to create backlinks on this. So how it will be done? I'm just showing you 3 to 4 backlinks creation. Okay, later you will relate the power of that tool. Actually, this is manual. It will take time only for 3 to 4 backlinks. Okay, but this tool will create thousands of backlinks. Okay, this is my blog. Okay, I'm going to share with this that my video, which I already clicked for share. Now you can see it will be automatically here. It will come here automatically. You can see directly. I didn't do anything. You can go and preview so that you can see how it will look like for the public. So just see, this is preview. Okay, just let it load. See, this is my blog. Okay, and this video will look like this. Okay, so I created one backlink. How? I'm just showing you right now. I'm just going to finish this. How you will do this, just put your hashtags. For example, this is for video, so I will put video. This is like tags. Okay, you have to put some commas here. Okay, this is blogger because video marketing. Okay, I'm just doing for 2 times. You can put so many tags. Okay, so this for this 2 tags, my this video will come in the rank, or some people can see this. I will publish here. When I will do this, it will be done from my side. See, confirm. Okay, I will delete it later, no worry. This is now one backlink I created for my YouTube channel, for my YouTube video. Now I'm just going to finish this. Now this is Tumblr. I'm going on Tumblr. Okay, I'm just showing you 2 backlinks creation. Okay, now you can do the same and you can go ahead with all platforms. So my Tumblr is going to open. Okay, it's done with Pro title. It will take title automatically. My video will come up here. Now this is text. Here you don't have to follow the commas. Here you have to follow hashtag. So hashtag video. It will automatically show you popular keywords. Why will do this viral video, so that so that on those particular tags my video will ranks in front of some people. So okay, so video marketing, this is again popular. So what I will do, you can go ahead with many. Okay, I'm just posting this. Okay, just it is just for example and it's done. Okay, so I created 2 backlinks. So that's how you will create backlinks for your particular offers, for your blogs, for your YouTube videos, for your websites. Okay, so manually it will take too much time. Even you cannot observe one and each and every backlink. Okay, so what this tool is going to do, this tool will create hundreds of thousands of backlinks on different websites related to your website, video, whatever. You have to just follow each and every system. Okay, and done. You will start getting some organic traffic on your offers, on your website, on your YouTube videos. And just because of I am showing you this tool. okay, which is viral bot. Okay, I hope you got each and everything. Okay, so this is, I already shown you, I already told you this, how to do that. Okay, if I left anything, you can just directly go inside the training. Two trainings are available here: API training, software training. How you will create API, I will show you. This is generally for anything. If you want API keys, generally go for Google Cloud Platform. Okay, from your Gmail ID, you can see here, I logged in from your Gmail ID, click on credentials. Okay, if you are starting from zero, just click on create credentials. Okay, just fill each and everything. Okay, just give it a name for your API key, enable that. Actually, you will know how to do that, each and everything, step by step, you will know. Okay, too much intelligent you are. So this is API key, this is key. You will copy from here. Okay, so I just copied. So, okay, where you have to go? Google Cloud Platform for your YouTube API. YouTube API, Google API, whatever you want to go, you want to do, you can just go to this credentials and you will get your particular, your specific, from that particular Gmail specific API key. Now, this is SEO tricks which you have to follow for your blogs, for your YouTube videos, for your offers, and each and everything, so that, see, this is Tumblr traffic. Okay, I already shown you Tumblr right now. I already shared one my video on Tumblr, so that you will start getting some traffic from that particular platform also. Okay, so this is for SEO trick. Okay, you will learn each and everything. Okay, I'm not going to read each and everything. Okay, step by step, they are just guiding you. You have to follow each and every steps. Now I'll get back on this. On this is support. Okay, if you are not getting any type of the clearance for your doubt, just go to support, the team will help you. Now this is setting, I'm going to click on this. Let me show you what is inside this setting. This is your Google API key, which I already copied from here. This is, I think, for Google or YouTube. Actually, you will get option when you create credential. Okay, you will go API key and you will get option for Google, for YouTube. Okay, all Google platforms, you will get options there to choose. So you will get YouTube API also, you will get Google API also. So this is my API, and just I am going to copy here. So I'm just removing this and I'm going to copy mine. That's how you will do this. Okay, and you will submit each and everything. This all IDs, client secrets you will get inside this. Okay, don't worry, you will get training how to do that. It's pretty simple. I am just showing you overview. This is Google Cloud Platform. Go here, click on credential. If you are new, if you are starting from origin, click on create credential, click on API, and you will see creating API key. Okay, and you will get API. You will put your API either here, client ID, client secrets, everything you will get inside your account, Google account. Just you have to create YouTube channel from same email ID. You have to log in Google account by same email ID, and each and everything like this, keys, IDs, and all. You will go ahead with this and you will submit from here. Okay, and later this tool will start working for you. Okay, so I'm done from my side. Okay, if you think I left something, you can directly ask me. Now come here. This is my page. Even if you don't know what is this, just click through the link, just click through link below, see the bonuses. This is Vid Engine, too much new product. This product is already selling. We are right now, you are going to get this for free. You have to just mail on this. Okay, if you don't know the power and use of this product, just go outside on Google and YouTube, search about this. You will get the power and worth of this tool and software. Okay, I'm going you, this is all time Tesla bonuses I am providing you with this product, viral bot. Okay, so this is Vid Engine. Now this is VoiceMat. This is again a powerful other software and tool. Again, you are going to get this one for free. Just go outside on YouTube, Google, and search about it, what it will do for you. Okay, now this is completely, this is Camtasia. You can just record your video, screen share each and everything. Actually, Profit Video, the product already launched some days ago. people are buying that, okay, for $15, $12, $13. I don't know what is the price actually, but this is the alternative of Zoom, alternative of Profit Video, because you can record your screen, you can make some videos for your particular business and all you are going to get from here. Okay, so this is again a powerful software and tool. This is Blogsy. This is fourth bonus, powerful. It will create automatic blogs, all-time fresh content for your blog websites, so that what you will do just by using your blog link, just by using this video viral board, this tools, sorry, this software and tools, just using this software, you will create backlinks for your particular blogs, and also you will get stack traffic on your blog websites, also on your YouTube videos, also on your affiliate page, on your CPA offer pages, landing pages. Also you will start getting visitors, you will start getting audiences, and you will start generating sales. There are higher chances to increase some sales for your offer. Okay, so this is my page. These are my bonuses, which you already see. Okay, 4 powerful bonuses I'm providing you. You have to just follow this. You have to mail on this for each and every bonus. You have to just tell them, and you will get this all bonuses. Okay, now it's your choice right now. You have to go ahead with this or not. Okay, I'm done from my side, each and everything. Okay, it's too much pretty simple, and you will start getting traffic just by backlinks. I already shown you manual backlink. Okay, just by putting some text, you will get stack traffic on your different platforms for your backlinks, and just because of your backlinks, you will get main traffic on your main offer page, channel, video, whatever. And that's how you will start visitors, getting customers, getting sales. This is complete journey you can finish just because of this product, which is viral bot. Okay, so I'm done from my side. Okay, we will meet for the next powerful product for your business journey. Till then,